Hi, today I'm gonna show you how to crochet floral head wrap with bicones. You could use this item as a belt, choker or bracelet. Just add the many flowers as you need.
Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe. That way you'll be the first to know when new tutorials are out.
What we need for this: yarn, hook, bicones, piece of wire, scissors, needle. To create a head wrap with bicones, we need to prepare a skein of yarn on which we will string the bicones. We also need a piece of wire on which we will fix the thread to create an imitation of a needle. Now you can string the bicones. Step 1. In the first step, we need to make the details of the head wrap, namely 6 flowers with 3 petals and 5 flowers with 4 petals. Flower with 3 petals. Make a magic ring with 6 single crochet. We crochet 3 chains for lifting. Do a 3 double crochet cluster, 3 chains, and fix into the next stitch with a slip stitch. When we are doing the crochet cluster, we need to add bicones. For that, we need to yarn over the thread with the bicone, and then we do a double crochet traditional way. On the cluster, we will get 3 added bicones. Then do one more chain and fix it. Repeat it 3 times in total. When you do the cluster, try to pull the stitches to make the flower voluminous. flower with 4 petals. To make flowers with 4 petals, we crochet in the same way as the flower with 3 petals, but we need to make a magic ring with 8 single crochets. Step 2. Now we have to join our flowers together. Do it following the video. Step 3. In the last step, you need to crochet the ties. We fix the thread by the petal of the outmost flower. Crochet 80 chains and return with the single crochets. There you are, you have done a dazzling job.
Feel free to share the result with us using hashtag Wool Reef Patterns.
And if you like this tutorial, please share your impressions by leaving a comment below the video with more than 7 words. It helps to develop our channel very much.
See ya on our next projects!